There you go, folks. Probably two of the coolest cars out here in the valley are sitting right now on my property. My own 31 Coupe, chopped 3 inches, and Dan's 30, unchopped. Both sitting on 32 Ford frames. One's running a small block Chevy, one's running a flathead V8. Don't know what to tell you. Doesn't get any better than this. For all those days that go to shit, there's days like this that just make up for it 100%. There you go, you get a good view in the side of them. You can just see the difference in the window heights right there. There's nothing like a painted up Model A, but there's also nothing like a primered up Model A. Where will I take my car this winter? I don't know, but I'm definitely going to make some changes to it. There we are, folks. Check us out at OTG, Old Time Garage, knocking out some of the coolest shit around in the valley. Come on down if you're looking to live back in the 50s, because that's what we're all about here. The shop is dedicated to that era, the 50s. The music, the shop, the buildings, the signs, it's what we're all about. There's nothing new school about us. Anybody can have new school. All you have to do is walk into a parts store and just buy it over the counter. We actually build our stuff. We build it, we drive it, we have fun with it, we enjoy it. That's what it's all about. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Remember, it's always a good time at Old Time.